I am not selling Launceston Castle, but I am selling, or Webbers are selling, a property right in the centre of town, opposite the multi-storey car park and the bus stop, so easy to get anywhere else in and around Cornwall and Devon, even if you don't have a car. And it's an older building, end-terrace. It's quite big inside. Well, it is big inside. It's got it's over 3 floors. 2 of the 4 bedrooms are in the loft. Then there's 2 further double bedrooms on the middle floor, and there's a shower room and a bathroom on the middle floor as well. And then you go down to a very, very large living room, which has been knocked through to the dining room. So that's a lovely big living cum dining room, and then a very modern kitchen at the back of the property, which then leads up over some decking and a patio into this garden, which I'll show you in a moment. In the meantime, let's have a look inside. We are in the living room and dining room. Got lovely wood burning stove set in the inglenook fireplace there. Also accommodates a television. There's your front door straight out onto the pavement there in the middle of the town. Ideal for maybe an Airbnb or just somebody who wants to be living in the centre of town and can get to everywhere they need to go. You can see there's a lovely big garden at the back here. In the top corner there is a gate which takes you to a private pathway shared only by a handful of properties that you can see in a cluster up there. That footpath will take you on foot down into the town. You would probably mainly use the front door of this property. You can see some of the older buildings there currently used, the old ambulance station and stuff currently used as halls. And you can see the castle there. You're right level with it. It's lovely out here. It's very secret. You wouldn't know that you were right in the middle of the town. This is the rear of 37 Westgate Street. You can see it's concrete steps and paved patio area at the back here, which goes right down to the kitchen there. And that's the middle floor landing that those doors go on to. But you can see there's plenty of space out here for seating, etc.